Well, the welds aren't pretty, but it'll get a couple more years out of this deck. I really had to glob it on here because this part of the deck was pretty much rotted through. I had to kind of rebuild it. But yeah, all the other spots turned out okay. Got those welded back on. Beads look heavy, but they're well wetted, so we're in good shape there with the welds. Well, it's all welded, and as Carl Fisher would say, 100% good enough. I left this area a little bit thick on the weld beads because that's where it tends to rust right through, so the more metal the merrier. And a quick coat of primer, and I'm just waiting on Amazon to deliver my spindles and the top coat paint, and we can start putting it back together. It ain't the prettiest, but it's a lot better than it was. And my paint finally arrived. I'm going to use a Massey-Ferguson Grey. About the closest thing I could find to what was on there. Yeah, that'll work. Now for this last coat, I wanted to get a kind of a texture look. So I turned the flow up higher and the air pressure down, so it kind of like spittle, for lack of a better term. I think it turned out pretty good. Came out just the way I wanted it to look. It kind of, see, it's a little bit textured. Nice. Yep, we're almost there. 24 hours, let it dry completely, and then we could start reassembling.